English with Billiebug. Indefinite pronouns. What are pronouns? Pronouns are words used to replace nouns and noun phrases. We use indefinite pronouns to refer to people or things without being specific. We use the suffixes body or one for people. We use thing as a suffix or compound word to refer to things.
Whoopee.
The indefinite pronouns
Whoopee.
are
Whoopee.
anybody, anyone, anything, nobody, no one, nothing, everybody, everyone, everything. An important rule: if followed by a verb, it is always singular. Indefinite pronouns can also be used for possession with an S. Can you find indefinite pronouns? Has anybody ever told you that you are very smart? If it had been anyone but you, I would have agreed. I haven't eaten anything since yesterday. There was nobody at home yesterday. No one I knew was at the party last night. They did nothing about that problem. Everybody dislikes bad winter weather. People will purchase everything they offer. Is everyone here now? Anybody can prepare scrambled eggs. Anyone can see you are happy. You don't know anything about me. Nobody could have seen it coming. There was no one at home when I knocked. Shh. Nothing I said made her change her mind. I love making everybody happy at Christmas. Everyone enjoyed the meal. She means everything to her family. There is a lot more to this subject. Ask your teacher to help you better understand the subject of indefinite pronouns. Have fun with English. Thanks for watching. Blast off.
Bill, time for dinner.
Yes, dear.